my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be doing Aliyah Jay YouTube intro. So these are the two backgrounds that I just showed you. And for this intro, I wanted to have more like fashionista because she's more into fashion. And so, as you can see, Vogue magazines and all that stuff. So here's one of my favorite effects that I use basically for every intro that I use. So I have the flashes where basically just camera flashing, and then I have JVC, that's basically like a blue little television, and then I have the CCTV, which is television staggered, and I have the retro DV2, that's basically like a flash, an orange flash around like them old DVDs. And then I have the VCR, basically how it's dimmer and it's glitchy a little bit. And then I have camera focus 1, and that's basically has the little camera thing and the square in the middle, and basically it's just blur, I think black, then blur in, and then the camera. And then I have the rolling films, that's what I use for the other ones. And then I have film frame 1 that I use for every freaking intro, and I just love that intro. And then at the bottom I just have, I think, blur and blur and out of focus, and basically it goes out of focus, basically like blur. So I choose blur for all of my backgrounds. And so basically what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to be doing basically deleting, and then downloading, exporting, and then I'm gonna go back to it, and basically I'm gonna undo everything, and then I'm gonna delete the other picture, and then yeah. So basically I'm getting one picture at a time and then going back and getting another picture, so it could be just for that one thing. So then I'm also making it longer, just in case if I don't want it this short, I can put it longer, you know what I'm saying? I could cut it out, and yeah, because when you're doing short clips, it's just too much, it's too fast, you know what I'm saying? So I just make it longer, so whatever I'm doing, whatever I am, the pictures and all that stuff, I want to make it longer, and I just cut it. Yeah, so that's a little tip for you guys. Alright, here's the next one. So basically, I picked out this one for the first one, and I decided to try and see the little bars at the top and bottom, and how I just like how that feels. But I decided to not go with the bars, because when I put the pictures in, and you will see it in a video, but when I put in the pictures in, it just didn't match, and it was basically cut off. Now if the bar was like overlay, then I probably can do that, but since the bars at the top and bottom wasn't overlay, it was more to the background, I didn't pick that. So I just went with the basic, and I went with flashing lights. So right here, I didn't know what to decide. I like this picture, but then I like the other picture. So I started for the pants one, because that's more fashionista. And yeah. Alright, so now I'm just picking out the animation for it. I decided to not do the one that basically is basically the whole video is moving. I decided to just put the in and no out. But I haven't picked the out yet. But that'll be in the next video. But yeah, that's what I did. So as you see, I added the flash, and now it's time for the words. Now, it was a long time to like the font and the effects of it and the animation. So yeah, this is what I go through when making intros. Like, you gotta see the font. I'm glad to add the fonts, but we gotta see which font it is, because we don't want a basic font. So we need somewhere, and I was thinking in my head, elegant. So you'll see while I'm searching for fonts and effects, you'll see the font that I choose. And if you don't know what is CapCut and what I'm doing, so basically this is the text thing, and these are the effects. These are the red ones, and just manumina, and it just got a whole bunch of things for the text. And so I really like that, because the old CapCut didn't have no, well, it did have things, but not the things that we have today. And as you can see, the font I used, and for the next video, y'all gonna see the, basically the whole shebang for the first part. Only the first part of the intro, and then we'll go to the second one. It takes a long time, trust me. But yeah, you guys, make sure y'all go ahead and comment and like and subscribe, so you know when I post. And yes, more videos coming, because I'm trying to post, even though it be at nighttime, I'm trying to post every freaking day until it's, well, the end of October. So the video's not done. Just keep on watching while music's playing and see what I do. And I'll talk to you guys on the next day. Alright, bye.